apparently have to be like this the whole time while I record this. What is happening, folks? My name is Adam Benjamin, and you're watching Like Mars on Earth, and this is the Rode Versatile Studio Quality Microphone, USB microphone. So it's connected directly from the microphones to my laptop. That's pretty much it. It's a great, very crispy, high quality. Has a great bass as well, as you can see, but there needs to be a 15 centimeter difference between myself and the microphones, so in order for it to capture the very audible kind of voice. This is audible, and I am your narrator. Oh wow, I'm gonna get a sprained neck after if I continue recording this, but I got a, where'd it go? Oh, I got a free sticker with this. I love Rode microphones. Pretty cool, right? I'll catch you guys later. See ya.